Hey guys, back again. We are doing Bronco project day 1. We're just doing a full fluid change, I guess. So we're just gonna be changing out every single fluid in it. Get that hopefully done for today.
Okay guys, as much as this is a project, it's also teaching her how to do said services. What are you doing here?
I don't know.
So I'm having her check the oil. Well, first you gotta stick it, we'll put it back in. Checking the oil to see how it looks before we drain it. And she's struggling. Okay, checking our oil. It looks relatively clean for what it is, so at least it's been changed recently, but we're gonna change it anyway because I don't know when it was changed. Okay, so we're up underneath here. Light drain plug there, oil filter. At least Ford put them in a convenient spot, other than this thing is low to the ground and hard to get under. So let's get them pulled. Looks like we got a probably leaky rear main, it looks like. And then it looks like the front also has a little bit of a leak. So let's get this oil drained.
I'm scared.
Probably put your nails back on, probably not the best plan. Keep going, get it all the way out.
Well, you're probably scared now.
I mean, it's not pressurized, it's not going to go flying. It's going to be dumped out of a water bottle.
Oh. It's hurting my arm. Oh, hand switch.
Hopefully you can get the spot. This is good. That's pretty dirty, I guess, actually.
Just hit me right in the eye. Are you kidding me? I'm turning the camera back.
It's fine.
Right now,
Don't stick it under the oil, though.
Yeah. Right now we're draining engine oil, and we drained out the filter oil too.
Pull the filter off.
It's all pretty dirty.
Well, it's the same oil.
No one's better than the other.
Well, they came from the same place.
Back to camera. It's on the mic.
No, I've done it.
Oh no.
Okay, filter changed, plug back in. Figured we didn't need to show you everything just because we're not doing how to, we're just doing a progress report. Gently. Need help? Want me to pour some of it in there?
No.
There. And just make sure the funnel doesn't overflow. I'm topping her off with this mobile and high mileage. I don't know the exact mileage. Odometer says 65,000, but it could have rolled over. So we'll use both hands. Which takes 5 quarts, which is what they sell now, which is nice. And we'll check it and start it up. Make sure it's all good. Okay, got the oil full. And battery. Okay, turn the key. Are you in park? That's fine. That just means it's on. Turn all the way to start. Does seem to run a lot smoother now that we've got the battery charged up. We've got some fuel through it, so hopefully that's the biggest problem we had. Okay, doing one last check. Right here, wipe it off. Let's see where it's not really showing. Wipe it off.
About maximum.
Well, use both hands. Wipe it off.
My bad. Dip it back
And you
in?
put it back in. Because as it runs, it splatters oil around. Go all the way in. All the way. All the way.
That was all the way.
That's all the way. Looks like it's about a half quart low.
Yeah.
So apparently they lied to us about it taking 5 quarts. Let it sit for a little bit, make sure it all drains down in there, and we'll check it again, and then we'll top it off if need be. Okay, got the oil changed. Now we're gonna do the transmission service, we hope. Yeah, is that too small? We can get a bigger ratchet.
No, I cute with that. Like this one's loose. It's just these are so tight and.
But I mean, I can get an extension and get you a longer.
Oh yeah, do that, please.
Okay, with a proper size ratchet and extension. Just get them all away. I don't think that too far away. Might have to take the extension off. Because is the cross mower blocking it? Or yeah, take the extension off.
I can get in there. I think I need the extension to get there. I don't like that.
Okay, last one to get loosened. Okay, you're loose.
Oh, I need to do this guy.
Okay.
Oh, the oil drop is like teasing me right now.
Well, based on how loose all these bolts are, I would assume that's why the transmission's leaking.
Okay.
So that is good.
Let me see. Where's this one? Okay, that's
Okay, we got them all loose. Now we'll pull the bolts out on one side, lower the pan, and hopefully drain out one side and make it a little easier to get
Can I do this side?
Okay, we're getting the fluid drained and it looks nasty. It's almost
Orange.
It's like purple. I don't know. Maybe it's not that bad. It's hard to tell in the dark. We'll get this pan pulled out and take a look at it outside. It's hard to tell anything underneath there. Let's go back a little bit just in case.
Okay, this pan is coming off.
Maybe. What's it hit?
Everything.
In the world?
It's like trapped over there. God. I can't believe we missed the bucket. That just dumped everywhere.
Sorry. Clear it up. Yeah, this was a filter that we're replacing.
Okay.
So we're just gonna let this sit and drain like that for a minute.
You should clean up that big oil spill.
You can do that if you would like. I gotta shimmy out. There it is.
I'm just gonna place the tiny rag right there. Just let it do its thing. Just gonna let that drain and see what goes in.
Okay. While we're letting the transmission finish draining, we're gonna try to do power steering fluid. I don't know if there's a drain plug, but I have a syringe. That looks like ATF for sure. So we're gonna try to suck it out with this syringe I have for my razor. Go all the way in there, as far down as it'll go. Go slow. There you go. Once you start sucking air, you're fine. Go ahead and take it out. Kind of quick so it won't drip too much. Okay, so we're going to try to drain this out the best we can. And then we'll top it back off. Which it does fully look like they just used transmission fluid in it.
Yeah.
Which works in a pinch, but it's not ideal. So we'll top this off. Just show you the transmission pan when I pull it out.
So it's looking like we're gonna need a new transmission.
And that's got some shavings in it for sure. We'll put the new filter in, get it running. I do know a transmission guy. I can talk to him.
You can see it's so metallic from metal shavings.
Yeah, but we'll get this all cleaned up so we don't put any more contaminants in there. And it'll at least get us by for now. And then we'll go from there.
Got all of...
You can't just be flapping around as you talk.
I know. So we got all of the transmission fluid dumped out of the pan and everything.
Filter changed.
We got the filter changed. tightened the pan up.
Metallic-y in the pan.
Yeah, it was so metallic in the pan, like it was a metallic purple. So that hopefully won't be an issue, but it's something we still need to keep in mind. So now we're just gonna refill the transmission fluid, and then we should be done for the day. We're just gonna keep going.
Test drive it again.
Yeah, test drive and then we'll be good.
We're having a double funnel because to get in the dipstick tube, whatever that little electric piece is a little bit in the way.
Yep.
I think we'll be good. We'll see what this does and
figure it out.